Shweta. So this is me trying to build a post page from scratch. Let's compare the time you spend and the time you spend building these things. While I'm waiting for that, I'm going to click on build on DB, and then I'm going to my drive, main drive. I can go to website, content. Sorry, not content, but website, web design, post page. Going to find Conan. I'm going to rename him here. I'm going to rename this one too. Alright, so clone existing pages. I'm going to load Joker. Alright, so we're at 2 minutes and 41 seconds now. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and replace this with these images. And while I'm doing that, I'm trying to download the file. Go to the sheet. I'm going to open this file. Go to extract it. Alright, so once that's done, I'm going to go here, find my Kona. Alright, so since I don't have the details yet, I'm just gonna upload my images here instead. Then I'm going back here. I'm going to insert my node. I think it would be easier for you if you download all the images and then upload it to the library. Before you download the images, just make sure that you rename the files so it makes sense for people. So for example, Conan, download it, download the files, rename it to Conan 3D printed blue, 3D printed Conan the Barbarian model, so it makes sense for everyone. I'm going to close this. Alright, so I had problems with the Divi builder, but that's fine. I'm just going to go ahead and look for the Joker pages post as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and upload my files. Alright, I already have it, so I'm just going to change all these images here. Can I change this one too? I'm gonna change this next. And this one. Alright. Alright, so I'm going to publish that. Since I don't have the data yet, I'll just take note of it here, and I will just put in my link after I'm done. So I'm going to edit this now, as I see that it's already saved. And I'm going to remove that. And I'm going to hide the title, and then I'm going to update it like that. So once done, I'm going to click on that. Okay, so I had a problem with my so 3D fan art. And then 3D print here. Where is it? Let me just check my Joker page. Let's see what okay, so I'm encountering a lot of, because I did not do this myself. I mean, I'm just doing this for a few times, so it's taking me 10 minutes so far. I've not paused the video. So okay, so I'm going to copy whatever the thing here is. So fan art. Just fan art here. Fan art, TV shows, movies. Okay, I'm not going to put a check mark on it. It's fan art, TV shows, fan art, comics, movies. Where's going down here? Prints, movies. Yeah, the TV show. Right. So I'm going to preview that. in another tab. I'm going to reset this. Right, so that's done. Assuming that we have the details here, I'm going to enable my visual builder. I'm going to edit this. So far, it's taking me 11 minutes. I'm going to edit this. To post this. Alright, let's assume that I have all the details. I'm going to edit this. Let's say 7 hours here. And then the rest are the same. Or let's say the weight is a little bit. So number of pieces is 1, support is none. And then the weight and the height are the same. Let's just say that it is. Alright, so okay, so I'm going to the primary sheet, or I'm just going to randomly select data. And I'm just going to go ahead and copy whatever I can find. Okay, so I'm gonna copy that. Then I'm going to go here. So for example, this is the spreadsheet. I'm gonna go here. And I'm going to edit this part here. So far it's 12 minutes. Alright, so I'm gonna make sure that I do not copy any, and I'm going to format this just in case. Alright, so that's done. Let's say this is the link. Right, assuming that I'm going back to the what do you call it, to the spreadsheet and copying other things. I'm going to just copy everything here. I'm going to copy that and then paste it here. And I'm going to make sure that all the things are properly. Alright, so far I'm at 14 minutes. I'm just going to copy this thing, put it here. So that's done. Okay, next is I'm going to exit this visual builder.